Hey everyone, just a quick video tutorial of how to create a CueStack out of pallets. It's very basic. So all you will have to do is you will select the group of lights, press copy, then click on the first pallet, drag all the way here, press enter to take it to the clipboard, and then the buffer, and then we've created a chase. So if you press Q timing yes, and then for example add say 3 seconds fade. Now if you have the fixtures on, press go, and you have a CueStack out of pallets. Same things you can do with the position. Select the group, press copy, click on the first pallet, drag, press enter, click here, and you'll have a CueStack with the out of pallets. Q timing yes, set the fade time, and there you go. Easy peasy. Hope it helps. Thanks and bye.